Hi everyone, Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland. You see before you a 20 by 16 inch or approximately 50 by 40 centimetre piece of plywood. And I also have some gold, silver, light blue and cobalt blue. In the silver I have put some isopropyl, the alcohol, and in the light blue there's some OGX. That's a piece of paper, a card and a large cup. I'm going to do a flip cup, and I'm going to use these beautiful colours, and hopefully we'll have something very nice indeed. So I'm just filling this cup at the moment so that I have plenty to earl and swirl, but I'm not putting them in a regimented sort of order. They're just going in. I might finish off with a bit of silver on the top. Okay, now this piece of paper only just fits the cup and that's about it. Right, that did a good job. So I just give it a second. It's a very messy table. I just had a bit of a failure, so as soon as I do this one I'll gather up the paint that I've come off, that I've left there. Right, out that goes. Here we go. Leave that there for a minute to come down. The blues are certainly doing their job. Might do this too. Plenty of paint in here. Give the paint something to roll around on, I guess. Maybe make a little bit more of a pattern. I don't know. Right. So I might actually put some of this darker blue around as well. Just see what happens. There's not much gold, is there? Alright. Probably. I know there's too much paint. But over the edge. Now down you come. Look how the silver's mixed in with that blue. Beautiful. Down, down. Just not over that corner. Probably would have been better if I hadn't put my big claw in it, but it's going away. Come on over the corner. Right. This corner over here needs a bit of, what are you? Away. Come on down here. Moving slowly. So that's going off there now too. Now what I have here is something that is very, very blue. And something that I happen to like, but it's very ordinary. So I'm going to wipe my hands off, and then I'm going to do a ribbon over this because the background is just too pretty not to use. So I shall be back in a second. Where did I put my towel? There it is. I'll be back in a second, and I'm going to put a ribbon over that. That's a really, really nice background. Alright, what I did, I'm just using the colours that I already had. So I've got the cobalt blue, the light blue, and the gold in here. And we'll just see how this goes. Blue on blue. Alright. And then I have a bit of silver here in the same cup. And a bit of gold. And just a little quick shake around. There is some blue in there. Oops, that see there's a big lump of gold there. I want that. Okay. Now, start from this end. Rather interesting. Right. Still haven't got that bit of wow in it yet though. So what colour were you? Right, let's see if I've got a dark one here. What are you? Nice dark grey, and it means that I'm going to tilt again. I'm not going to be happy if this one doesn't work out. Alright, up that way you go. Over the edge. Don't be shy. Okay, now down we go. Starting to come alive, isn't it? Just need some of this peacock blue, which is what I call the blue when it gets the silver in it at Looks like that blue you see on a beautiful peacock. She's getting happier. You should try doing this if you haven't already, just with the paints as they drip off, just looking and choosing something that looks a bit pretty and then just letting it dribble back down from the top. I actually enjoy doing this. You get a second layer of pattern coming there. You sometimes get it, whatever that was, but you know, you can pull them out. And you don't have to do it from the top, you know, you just put them on where you want. Which is what I'm doing. And see there, I don't like that bit, so start putting some colour on it. I'll probably end up speeding this part up, so it can get a little boring. I'm just going to let that one run down and that to be so dark just there. Alright, put some blue on it. And down she comes. Once it hits that other blue, it'll be right. It's pushing it down further. Alright. Let's sort its little problem out. There you go. Alright. That's got to be it. And it's really, really pretty. Quite happy with it. Thought that would come down a bit more. Alright, so I'm going to, oops, look at that. Get out of there. Alright, I'm just going to wipe my hands off and then I'll bring it down to have a look. The recipes for the paint and pouring meeting you'll find below, show more under the video. If you haven't already, subscribe, please do. Click the little bell and you'll be notified then as I put up more videos into YouTube. Wrong way, that way. Pretty blue. Not a lot of cells, but you know, I'm not big on them. And I did tilt and twist and carry on with the paints. You can see the beautiful colours. So kind of when you do that, it kills off the chemical reaction. That yellow is gold, that'll shimmer and shine. Well, thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.